Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a parallax effect in Adobe XD. First, open Adobe XD and create a new project. Set up your artboards and import all necessary design assets, such as background images and foreground elements. Make sure your background image extends beyond the artboard's height to allow for scrolling. Group related elements for easier manipulation later on. Now, let's set up the scroll group. Position your large background image on the artboard. Select the background image and create a scroll group, ensuring its height matches your artboard's height. This allows the background to move independently when the user scrolls. You'll want to make sure the content within the scroll group is taller than the group itself. Next, we'll use Auto Animate to bring the parallax to life. Duplicate your initial artboard. On the duplicated artboard, move your background image and foreground elements to their desired end positions. The key is to move them at different rates. For example, the background moves slower than the foreground. Then, link the two artboards with a tap trigger and select Auto Animate for a smooth transition. Finally, it's time to refine and test your parallax effect. Preview your prototype to see how the elements move during scrolling. If the effect isn't quite right, go back and adjust the positions of your elements on the second artboard. Experiment with different distances to achieve the perfect sense of depth. Aim for a smooth, engaging experience that enhances your design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.